Honor launched its new smartphone called HonorGT in China, with quite different rear camera module. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The HonorGT features a tall 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 4000 nits of peak brightness support. The phone comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, paired with Adreno 750 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 12 or 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256 GB, 512 GB, or 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage. As per the optics, the HonorGT sports a 50-megapixel main camera, with f1.95 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, with 112-degree field of view. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.45 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5300 mAh battery, with 100 watts super-fast charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box, with Magic OS 9.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions, and it is IP65 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 161 by 74.2 by 7.7 millimeters, and it weighs around 196 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The HonorGT has been priced in China as follows. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Aurora Green, Ice White, and Phantom Black color options. So, what do you guys think of this HonorGT smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.